Welcome to Rejoicing by Land and Sail. We love the mountains and we love the sea. Where we live, it snows a lot and we love all types of skiing. We hope to inspire others to get out and enjoy our beautiful world and find new adventures. Blair raced dinghy sailboats in his youth, but for the last year and a half, we have been learning to sail our larger boat. We recently chartered in the Caribbean, and we plan to continue to explore other parts of the world, including Greece, by land and sail. Please join us on our adventure and as we learn. What's our sailing plan today?
Well, first, welcome Doug and Chris.
Hi,
Yay.
Doug.
Hello.
Hi, Chris.
Yeehaw. We're going to sail from our slip in Brickyard Cove. We're heading toward the Richmond-San Rafael Bridge, and we will go past the Brothers Islands, and then we'll cross the channel to port and go past the Sisters Island.
Man, we are so excited to have Chris and Doug sailing with us, and we're going to do some cruising together in February and in May. And Chris, tell everyone a little bit about your sailing experience so far.
I have about nearly 40 years ago, barely able to tack on a windsurfer.
Okay.
And that
more than I had.
That was about all I did. Now recently we've done, about 4 years ago, we did US Sailing 101 and 102, and we didn't pass 104. We did it all together, but that was great experience just to learn that if I like sailing or not. And now we have finished ASA 101, much better class, and we are here on this lovely, awesome boat.
We are super excited to have you. And Doug, tell us what we have planned coming up in February and May.
In February and May of next year, we're planning on going to the Caribbean, and we're gonna act like pirates there and take over and find some booty
and some rum.
No, we still have to perfect our sailing language, but yeah, we're going to the Caribbean, to the BVI, and gonna go cruise for what, 9 days there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So on a cat. And then they were so impressed with Blair's sailing over there. They said, you'll handle a cat fine, even though you have zero experience on one. It's easier to dock with 2 engines, but we'll find out. And then after that, in May, we're going to Greece.
Yeah, in May.
And I guess if we all get too upset with each other, we'll just split it into 2 boats.
We'll have 2 monohulls.
We'll bring a saw.
One boat will take the Genoa, one boat will take the Maine.
There we go.
Each hull has an engine, so
There we go.
Okay, all right. So far, it's a pretty light wind day. We have the full mainsail up, and almost all of the headsail up as well. Our headsail is 125%. We're actually looking at getting a new one and going to a smaller, more like 110, 115%. But there's Red Rock, and we'll be going on this side of Red Rock under the bridge. Thanks. So this is Chris's first time on Rejoicing's helm, and she's doing a great job. So Chris is learning where everything's at on the helm. Every helm is different, so it can be challenging. So great job, Chris.
Second time on a wheel.
And the first time on Rejoicing's wheel.
First time.
Oh, that's right. You're used to the tiller.
Tiller. This is, yes, I need to think.
And then you guys also have your little Hobie catamaran.
I need to say one. We are wing on wing, baby. We're moving between like 150 to 170 off the port quarter. And there's our human whisker pole.
This is the East Brother Light Station and Inn. It was built in 1873 as an aid to mariners. It was purchased by the U.S. Coast Guard and is now a place, a bed and breakfast, and also they have some volunteer opportunities.
You can hear the bell buoy really nicely. And because of the current, we're probably going almost 5 knots, even though it feels like we shouldn't be moving. There's very little wind.
Having a little party up there by herself. Okay, we're coming back through underneath the Richmond San Rafael Bridge, and we're gonna thread that little needle right there in that span between those two spans right there. So we're staying on the high side because of the current, but we may end up having to ease the sails a little bit to get through.
So I'll probably have you ease it, but it's going to be a little while yet. And there is a really remote chance we switch gears and have to tap. We get anywhere near that span, we tap.
It's loud under here with the cars up there.
I think we're just going to end up being good. And in fact, now
In order to find more wind, we sailed back under the bridge and over by Angel Island, then back to home. How's your lunch there? The next day we went out again, went down Raccoon Strait, and then down the slot for a much windier experience. Chris, are you having fun?
I am. This is great.
Yeehaw, huh?
Woohoo!
25 knots.
How many knots are we going? Where are we going, Chris?
We are going 9.
Woohoo!
Now we're 7.5.
Hi, Doug.
Hello.
Are you having a good time?
Yes, I am. It's quite different from the little guys we were sailing.
And maybe a little different on the bay than Southern
More
California.
wind, I would imagine.
Yeah.
Okay, we get to have a little time to be close because we've got a new captain. Woohoo! And a new first mate.
Hello!
We had a great couple of days with sailing with Doug and Chris, and they would return for our next beer can race. Okay, Michael, you're on camera. Smile right there. The next week, Michael, Blair's friend from college, joined us. He has quite a lot of sailing experience, and Wesley was also on board to help out.
Ready about?
Ready.
Okay, tacking. Ready about?
Ready.
Okay, tacking.
the boat, how much it's heeling, and some by the apparent wind angle. But when it's this windy, I'm going a lot by how much we're heeling. Then if we heel too much, I nibble up into the wind a little more. Ready? I'm going to fill the sail and then tack. Okay, tacking.
With 25 to 30 knots of wind, we had our mainsail reefed and a small amount of our headsail out. It was a beautiful sail and all was going well until...
Okay, tacking! Oh my gosh, I hit bottom. I can't believe it. Oh boy, we can be in trouble on that.
Yeah, let's get back.
Yeah, we're gonna get some keel, right?
Barely touching, but we are. Shoot. Oh, ease the sails. Ease the sails a bit. Oh my gosh. Let the ease the mainsail. We're off. Okay. Now you can trim it back in. We're out. Holy moly, that was scary. I did not know there was a shallow spot there. I go to the charts really thoroughly. I've never seen that spot.
Seems like a nice sandy bottom.
Yeah, it's all mud. It's because of the hydraulic mining in the 1800s, but wow, I did not know there was a shallow spot in there.
We quickly recovered and headed down Raccoon Strait and around Angel Island. A week later, Andrew, a lifelong friend of Wesley's, and Wesley's girlfriend, Andrea, joined us.
Fine. But, you know, the waves could always bump you or like something unexpected. And I probably wouldn't hold on to that as much. It's not as stable. But it's probably good. Yeah. Yeah, no, here is a good spot just I like sitting on the front. It's fun. That's pretty cool here. Get a picture of that. This is serious business. The skipper is otherwise occupied.
Okay, now try pulling it again. Black line, yeah, I think it's caught on something. I'm gonna have to go up and check. Are you gonna go? I'm gonna go halfway.
Must be caught.
Reef 2 is caught on something.
To see the name of the ship was the Billy of Tea.
Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day the cooking is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Andrew seemed to have a great time on his first sail, and it was fun watching Wesley share his new passion with his friend.
And now the wind shifted, yes, so that's good, yeah, right in there. So you kind of get all different experiences out here. I mean, it was crazy windy the first 2/3 of the sail, and now just real peaceful.
As we were heading back into the marina, this cargo ship suddenly turned our direction and blew its horn. We managed to complete our journey across its bow and headed in for our slip.
Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love.